Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle, and in today's video we're going to be making this super quick and easy shawarma wrap recipe. Today's recipe is more of an experiment. I'm going to be using self-raising flour. That's why I didn't add any sugar or salt, because that's already there. So I'm just going to be adding the egg and gradually adding the water to form a very smooth and watery consistency. The adding of the water literally has to be gradual, you guys, because if you pour the water all at once, it's just going to form a lumpy mixture, which is really hard to deal with. So if you mix it like this, then the mixture will be very soft and much easier to handle. So this is what the mixture is supposed to look like. I ended up using just 1¼ cups of water because I had already added an egg. Next up, you oil your pan and add the mixture bit by bit. Don't overfill it. Don't put too much, because remember, we're using self-raising flour. Otherwise, you're going to come up with a cake. I'm joking, you guys. Just make sure the mixture is thinly spreaded, and then flip this after 2 to 3 minutes of letting it fry. Make sure the heat is very low because you don't want to burn it quickly. This being my first time of using self-raising flour for such a recipe, I was starting to get a little bit skeptical at this point, but I just decided to continue anyway. Today's shout out goes to Nashia Western. Thank you so much for your love and support. I've seen you commenting and liking my videos. I'm sure you share, because it's like every single time I post, you're always there supporting and commenting. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. Make sure the heat is very low, because if it's high, it's just going to brown at the top and not completely cook it. Please do tell me your experience, guys, if you've ever used self-raising flour for shawarma wraps and how it turned out. I would really love to know, because I'm so curious. Very curious. I don't know if it's the flour or what, but I see a little bit of bubbles at the top. I don't know what these bubbles are all about, but this is what I have at the end, you guys. For the best results, I do recommend cake wheat flour or all-purpose flour. That one just does the magic. It just works like magic. But for now, this is what we have, and I'm just going to work with this because that's what I have at the end of the day. This is how my experiment turned out, you guys. Tell me what you think in the comment section. I'll give these a 90%, honestly. I'll give them a 90 because they did not just didn't give me that. I don't know if you know what I mean. But anyway, just throw them in an airtight container or a plastic or a wrap and refrigerate them until you're ready to use them. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!